Robbie and I decided to put together our 5 top reasons why Nicaragua
It's the best.
nails it. Yeah, let's go, Jordan. Woo!
No, let it play.
Yeah,
I was gonna say, just let it play. Let it play.
It was too much fun.
The land of lakes and volcanoes. That was something. That was strong.
All
right.
Go ahead, Randy. Top 5.
All right, let's get it. The 5 things that make Nicaragua the world's flavor factory. And here we go. Number 1, the volcanic soils. Nicaragua sits on one of the most active volcanic chains in the Western Hemisphere. For centuries, volcanic activity has deposited minerals into the soil, creating ideal conditions for tobacco cultivation. These soils help produce tobacco known for richness, character, and intensity. As with all the most flavorful agricultural products that we know and love, whether it be coffee, wine, or tobacco, great flavor starts with great soil. Additionally, diverse growing regions. Nicaragua isn't one flavor. It's an entire flavor library. Esteli, known for its power and peppery bite. Jalapa, which is famous for sweetness and baking spice nuance. Condega, a bridge building balance and fullness to the blend. Ometepe, for its deep earthy richness and minerally character. Each region contributes something different to the blender's toolbox. While some countries are renowned for the specialties that they bring to the equation, few countries offer this much diversity within their own borders. The exported knowledge. Following the Cuban Revolution and embargo, growers, blenders, and tobacco families carried generations of expertise into Nicaragua. Many cultivation and fermentation practices still trace their roots back to Cuba today. Nicaragua literally inherited some of the greatest tobacco knowledge the world has ever seen. Number 4 is the unmatched blending flexibility. If you need strength, you use Esteli. If you need sweetness, you use Jalapa. You bring in some Condega for that balance and fullness. And then if you want to give a little bit of really unique character not found anywhere else in the world, you can blend in some Ometepe. And it's all from the same country. So most countries are known for providing ingredients, where Nicaragua provides real options to blenders. One of the really cool things about Nicaraguan tobacco is now it's part of the culture. Entire communities in Nicaragua are built around tobacco. Families work in tobacco generation after generation. Entire towns and communities are supported by this entire industry. The knowledge compounds generations upon generations, and skills evolve, and traditions continue to survive. Great tobacco isn't created in a single season. It's created over generations. It's truly an art form, and Nicaragua does it as well as anyone else in the world.
Well done. Look at that presentation. I love it.
All right. Well done, Randall.
Hey,
it's
great
funny
presentation.
If you go back and watch that last clip when the music comes on, you could tell who's actually listened to music that sounds like that and who hasn't.
Yeah, Randy's like, why is
Randy's kind of like,
Hey.
Randy's trying to do a cha-cha or something.
This isn't reggae or reggaeton. I don't know what to do here.
I don't know what to do with my hands.